Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use WYSIWYG Web Builder, an easy method for creating websites. This powerful tool lets you design visually, meaning what you see on your screen is exactly what your visitors will experience. You can simply drag and drop elements, eliminating the need for complex coding. It's perfect for anyone wanting to build a professional website quickly and efficiently, even if you have zero programming experience. Get ready to create stunning web pages with ease. To begin your project, you can either start with a blank canvas or choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates to kickstart your creativity. You'll define your page dimensions, often around 960 pixels wide, ensuring a consistent layout. Then, simply add your core elements such as text, images, and navigation menus. Use the intuitive layering and alignment tools to precisely position everything, giving your website a polished and organized appearance from the very start. Now, let's dive into customization. The Property Inspector allows you to easily modify text fonts, colors, and sizes to match your brand. You can apply various visual effects like borders, shadows, and gradients to make your elements pop. Furthermore, integrate interactive features such as contact forms, image carousels, and lightboxes to engage your visitors. Remember to save and reuse your custom styles to maintain a consistent and professional look across your entire website. Finally, it's time to make your website live. Always preview your site in various browsers to ensure everything looks perfect before publishing. The builder includes a convenient, built-in FTP client, allowing you to effortlessly upload all your files directly to your web host. Don't forget to optimize your images and scripts for faster loading times, providing a smooth experience for your visitors. Once uploaded, your beautifully designed website will be live and accessible to anyone around the globe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.